What we're gonna do, we will try to download, and then boom, we get already the sniffing file. Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. Last time I made the video because of the request of the student. You can see this video here, this one. Or I'm going just to put the video in the card if you are using the native apps of the YouTube in your hand, on your mobile phone in this case. The video is driven because of the request from the student that they put in the comment. I want to sniff the Bluetooth, but I don't want to buy, because I'm a student, I don't want to buy Ubertooth, HackRF, rtl-sdr, etc. So that's why I made that video. So it's easily anyone can have the Android and they can sniffing the Bluetooth. So they can sniffing the Bluetooth BLE using the step-by-step that I provided there. And it's working flawlessly that time, guys. But today I'm just going to make another video because when I'm using in my other handset, this one, last time I make the video using the Redmi Note something, Redmi Note 7 set, etc. But last time when I'm using the Android OnePlus 3T, this one, somehow I found there is some problem. I'm just going to, for example, in this one, you can see from this one, this is the actual, if the ideal situation, you can see the Bluetooth here. After you found the bug report, if you want to know how to generate this bug report, you need to watch that video. Okay, guys? And the preparations to do this is the same with the video sniffing Android with that Bluetooth. So that is the prerequisite before you watch this video. So when we already got the bug report file like this, we go to the bug report, go to FS, and then after that we go to the data, MISC, and then go to the Bluetooth logs, and after that we can find it here. For example, the designated file, the designated trace itself. So we can open this with the wireshark. Okay, so it's like this. But unfortunately, when I'm using my other different handset of Android, I already follow through all the steps that I already show in that video, but the Snoop file is not there, guys. So in this case, I just make it the OnePlus 3T here. This one, this is the bug report. And when I go to here, I go to FS, data, MISC, and then nothing. There is no Bluetooth here, just recovery, blah, blah, blah. We cannot find anything here, guys. So what is the solutions? When there is a problem, the first thing that I'm going to use is I'm going to check in this trace file, guys. Okay? Okay, this is the bunch of the trace file in the bug report itself, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to, example in this case, I'm just going to check, for example, the BT Snoop, because we want to find the BT Snoop, right? So we can find the trace in this case like this. Okay. We can find here, okay, there's some highlighted here. This one, of course, not this one, this one. Okay, we cannot find anything here. Oh, okay, there is a timeout. Post schedule timeout. Okay, that means there is a problem here. Let's go through. We'll trace this one. Okay, nothing we cannot find here. Okay, okay. It said the Snoop file log path is in this one, so it's not in the FS that we just try using it before, guys. Okay, so we can try to look this file, guys, based on this trace file. Maybe this is the file that we want to find in this case. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's go to the handset itself. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe, switch on the bell, like, and share this channel to others, so other people can get the benefit that you get it right now with this video, and I can get motivated to produce more contents for you guys. Okay, let's continue. And then after that, I'm going to go to this handset. This is the one that we just opened before, right? Okay, then what we're gonna do, we will try to download this one, the CFA, guys. Okay, we will try to download the CFA. And then after that, it's simple. We just using the ADB, pull. And this is the file itself. Okay, I need to copy this. Let's check. Okay, the file is already downloaded. Let's check this file, is whether this file is actually is also the similar file with like a bt-snoop.logs that we can open it in the Wireshark. Oh yeah guys, if you get the benefit from this channel, feel free to treat me the coffee. Feel that my channel can get some improvement with a better speaker or with a better camera, or maybe I can invest several software-defined radio hardware. Feel free to donate this channel, or you can treat me the coffee. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 5 cups. I'm just going to put the link in the descriptions of this video, guys. Or I'm just going to put the QR of the link of that one, guys. Feel free to treat me that one. 2 cups, 3 cups, 5 cups. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, let's continue. So I already able to download this one using this command, adb pull. Okay, it will download in the default directory in this case, guys. Okay, or you can feel free to use this one, for example, using dot. That's also work, guys. Okay, now we will check again this file because I downloaded here. This is the file. We are going to check to open this file using the Wireshark, because usually the pickup file and .logs we already tested, right? Pickup file is the Wireshark file, but this is .cfa. Is this file is the same or not? Let's check. Let's say open with, and then other. I will just check this one. Let's open the Wireshark. And then boom, we get already the sniffing file. Although the sniffing file is not in the bug report designated zip file that we downloaded, but somehow still retain in the handset itself, but in the different path, guys. So you still can get the sniffing file of the Bluetooth with the Android. Okay? Okay guys, what do you think? This is good example. When we found the trouble, when we found the problem, we can get this troubleshooting with this one, guys. So not everything smooth, but when there is something not smooth, there is some blessing in this, guys. We learn something new. Okay, so hopefully this is very useful for you, and just looking for what my video next. As I always say in my other previous video, because I'm about to signing off, keep learning and stay humble. Ha 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 ha.